Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today I just wanted to show you my Gundam Universe Sazabi. And on the right here is the RG Sazabi, and the Gundam Universe Sazabi stands basically as tall as the RG Sazabi from Bandai. Alright, there are a few things that I want to mention about the Gundam Universe Sazabi. First of all, mine came with a few parts that were supposed to be already installed properly loose, and one of those parts was this right front skirt part here, and this part has two packs. The first is the primary pack on the corner here, on the top corner here, and the second pack is just below it, and it's much smaller, and it's pointing to the side. The main primary pack here of this part is pointing inwards, right? And these two packs must go together in such a way that the smaller pack goes into a very small space, so that this front skirt part is properly secure in its place, right? And I have seen at least two other videos on YouTube that this front skirt part, either the left or the right one, is not properly secure in their places. So if these are not properly secure, you will see a very small pack in the gap right here, which you are not seeing here because they are both properly secure or installed in their places, right? And it took me around 40 minutes to properly install the right front skirt part, and it wasn't fun because because these two front skirt parts are supposed to be installed before this middle groin part is fixed in the factory, right? So there's that. So make sure these two front skirt parts are properly installed if you are buying one of the Sazabi toys, right? And the other thing that I want to mention is that installing these two funnel racks onto the backpack unit was not easy, right? I don't think a child would be able to do it, so bear that in mind. And also installing the rear fuel tank tubes here too was not easy either, right? And I don't think a child would be able to do it. And you also have to bear in mind the delicate antennas on the head here. So although this seems like a toy and feels like a toy, it is not necessarily a toy due to these things, right? If you give it to a child, that child will probably break this toy within the first 10 minutes of opening the box. Bear that in mind because it's $45 in the US, right? And it is selling for $40 to $60 here in Indonesia. It's not quite that cheap as to be replaced that quite easily. I mean, if a child is going to break it, why give it in the first place, right? So there's that. And this Gundam Universe Sazabi doesn't come with its shield. Bear that in mind. It is it's quite a bit heavier than the RG Sazabi though. So I don't know why. Perhaps they have rubber part inside, which would not be good because rubber would dry up with time and you would have breakage with time with those rubber parts, right? Uh, or perhaps there are some metal frame inside. I don't know why, but it has quite a bit of heft compared to the RG Sazabi here, right? Although it has very few gimmicks compared to the RG Sazabi, right? And the RG Sazabi is obviously much more detailed, right? However, this Gundam Universe Sazabi is much less flimsy than the RG Sazabi. So you can actually handle this Gundam Universe Sazabi on a regular basis without fear of anything falling off, right? Any part falling off. Just bear in mind the delicate antennas here, right? And that's it. That's all I wanted to show you, right? And well, there's one more thing. The actual looks and feel of the Gundam Universe Sazabi is actually better than what you are seeing here in videos and in pictures on the internet. So if you like Sazabi, this I think is worth getting because it is the cheapest ready-made Sazabi toy or model in the market today. Okay, thank you for watching.